Hi guys, and welcome back to DoneWithWork. This video is going to be one of many tutorials on me teaching you how to get started coding in Python. This course is going to be entirely for beginners, so go ahead and feel free to join along. Before I get into the video, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out a ton. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write your first Hello World program using Python. So first off, we're going to go to python.org in any browser of your choice, and we're first going to download Python, right? So I'm going to go to downloads and go ahead and download the latest version of Python. So currently it's 3.11.3. I've currently have Python 3.10 installed in my system. So go ahead and install the latest release. Once you're done, head on over to jetbrains.com and install PyCharm. PyCharm is going to be the IDE or the code editor that we're going to be using to edit and write our own Python code. So go ahead and go to downloads and download the community version of PyCharm. It's free and we'll be able to use all features to code with Python. So once you're done, go ahead and open PyCharm. You'll be met with this window. Go ahead and click on New Project, and we're just going to name a project of our choice. We're going to say Hello World, I guess. Hello World, and we're going to create it. So once it's done, open it up, and I'm going to widen this so we can see it. So first off, we have just an empty folder right now. So we're going to go ahead and right click on Hello World, and we're going to create new Python file. I'm going to name it main, and we're going to click it enter. You can name anything you like, it's fine. So first off, I'm just going to write one simple line to print to the console, hello world. So to do that, I'm going to write print bracket, and you notice that PyCharm actually automatically auto-completes it for me. So I don't have to write, the other bracket. Then I'm going to put quotation marks, and I'm going to write hello world. Now go to the top, bring your cursor to the top, click on run. I'm going to click run again, and we're going to select main to run the program, and there you go. It prints hello world to the console. I hope this video has been easy to understand, and in the next video we're going to be learning about all the various data types that Python has. Until then, subscribe, keep watching, and stay tuned. Cheers.